Hi. Okay. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to open other Excel file and copy its data from inside a workbook. So basically, we can work inside a workbook and open other file uh, with simple VBA coding, and of course, automatically copy its data without actually opening it and select the data and copy it just like the ordinary way, but instead we're going to use a VBA coding to automatically do that. So this is a new workbook. There's no data in it, there's no coding in it still. The idea is to work within this workbook and open other files. For the example, I will use this file from our previous video and copy this, like copy this and paste this data from B4 to D16, for example, and paste it on this worksheet without actually open the files and do the ordinary copy paste function. So we need a Visual Basic for this, Visual Basic editor, to create a sub. We call it other file open for our sub, and we can use application dot get open file name for this. So when we run this code, this will open an open dialog box, which shows our folders data. The default would be all files. If we click this, scroll with VBA file and open, and nothing happened. So I'm just gonna we have to first, I want to declare, let's say, file open file as variant, and that open file, the application get open file name. Sorry. Title will be rows file and data import. Let's try this. Oops. Sorry, I forgot to put theme in this. Actually, let's stop it first. Let's try this. Okay, let's work. Back. So, as you can see, we have a dialog box with its title, rules, file, and data import as we set it in this code. Okay, you can also filter what kind of files will be appear in that dialog box. The default will be all files. So you just want to put Excel files only on the dialog box. So we can use file filter right here and choose Excel files, which of course has the extension of XLS, and we just want to only XLS files appear in that. So I think that will be all. Let's see. Now there's only Excel files open. Oops. But our files actually is XLX. So now we have XLX. Okay, let's move on. So moving on, we need to declare other variable for the open books as workbook. Okay, we already after we have this variable, we can use open books as our variables. If open books, if sorry, if open file not equal to false, that means you actually select a file and open it. Then we close the if statement. We can set open books to application dot workbooks dot open file. Open this open file, which open book. So this will set open books as the files that we select to open. Then open book with this open books selected, we can sheet 1. As you can see, we have sheet 1 right here that we want to copy. Sheet 1, which range, wait, forgot the range, B4 to D16. Okay, B4 to D16 dot copy. Then we're going back to our workbook dot works sheets. Our sheets also named sheet 1. This workbook, sheet 1 right here, not the other sheet 1. Okay, back to our code. Then we put our range, I don't know, maybe B9 or B10. Dot base special Excel page values. So this will copy and paste the data from the previous files to our working files. But we still have that file open, so we want to close that workbook or the file. Open books dot close, and we don't want to save the any change, so we put this as false. Okay, I think that will be all. We're going back to our working books. I will need a button to run the code, run the VBA, choose our sub, and change this caption to import or copy. Okay, let's see. Copy data. Need to search box without coding. Okay, as you can see, it works, but we still have one more things to do. We have still one to do that. During the copy paste process, it's still change between those files. We don't want that, so we back to our code, to application, the screen updating to false, and we need to get it back to normal at the end at the end of our coding. True. So let's try it again. Copy data, scroll about view. Now we have this data. Okay, I think that will be all for today. For this video, hope you like it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support our channel. Thank you and bye.